Imagine Facebook ads, Google ads, and TikTok ads, but powered by AI tools. This is the future of ad creation. With our AI tool, you can create, launch, and optimize targeted ads across multiple platforms, languages, and business types instantly. Let's dive in. Just add your brand context by scanning your website or filling in a few fields. Connect your accounts and unlock the full power of AI. Just select the product or service you want to advertise, or simply drop a prompt describing your offering and tap on Generate. You can edit your ad text, targeting, or special offers anytime. Our AI prompting, built with industry best practices and safety rails, instantly creates the best ad copy and targeting for each platform. Forget manual testing. Our AI tool does it for you, generating hundreds of ad combinations to test automatically. Plus, it recommends the perfect audience targeting across every platform. You're always in control. Edit targets, tweak setups, or build precise lookalike and retargeting audiences. You can exclude locations, control the placements, and go as narrow as a zip code or as broad as a whole world. Need visuals? We have multiple integrated creative features like AI avatars, text-to-image, meme generator, smart creatives, and more. You can upload from your ad accounts, and we even have templates for your business. Want to capture leads? Use our intuitive lead form creator. Customize it or upload your own. Then just set your budget, and you're ready to launch. Our AI-powered text-to-ad creation works seamlessly across Google, TikTok, YouTube, and more. And it even optimizes for you. Unlock your ad potential with us and skyrocket your business today. Imagine Facebook ads,